Today's the day, you know it's true. The moment of power belongs to you. You chose a path, a higher lane where satisfaction breaks the chain. When you open a trade, you rise so high like a god who owns the sky. The world's beneath your steady hands, a life you shape the way you plan. Today's your day, don't be afraid. Click with faith, the move is made. Buy or sell, it's all the same. Balance dancing in the game. Turn emotions into gold. Future stories to be told. From this moment, here you stand. Trading years at your command. Life becomes what you create. Silence builds a stronger state. You observe, release, let go of what you can't control, you know. When you open a trade, you rise so high like a god who owns the sky. The world's beneath your steady hands, a life you shape the way you plan. Today's your day, don't be afraid. Click with faith, the move is made. Buy or sell, it's all the same. Balance dancing in the game. Turn emotions into gold. Future stories to be told. From this moment, here you stand. Trading years at your command. Strong in silence, clear in mind. Every loss a gift you'll find. Step by step your power grows. The market speaks, the trader knows. Today's your day, the crown is yours. Open wide the trading doors. Every chart becomes your stage. Write your story, turn the page. Turn emotions into gold. Legends crafted, brave and bold. From this moment, here you stand. Trading years at your command. Today's the day, you know it's true. The moment of power belongs to you. You chose a path, a higher lane where satisfaction breaks the chain. When you open a trade, you rise so high like a god who owns the sky. The world's beneath your steady hands, a life you shape the way you plan. Today's your day, don't be afraid. Click with faith, the move is made. Buy or sell, it's all the same. Balance dancing in the game. Turn emotions into gold. Future stories to be told. From this moment, here you stand. Trading years at your command. Life becomes what you create. Silence builds a stronger state. You observe, release, let go of what you can't control, you know. When you open a trade, you rise so high like a god who owns the sky. The world's beneath your steady hands, a life you shape the way you plan. Today's your day, don't be afraid. Click with faith, the move is made. Buy or sell, it's all the same. Balance dancing in the game. Turn emotions into gold. Future stories to be told. From this moment, here you stand. Trading years at your command. Strong in silence, clear in mind. Every loss a gift you'll find. Step by step your power grows. The market speaks, the trader knows. Today's your day, the crown is yours. Open wide the trading doors. Every chart becomes your stage. Write your story, turn the page. Turn emotions into gold. Legends crafted, brave and bold. From this moment, here you stand. Trading years at your command.
Good morning, guys. Wow, look at silver taking out all that buy side liquidity. The one it was going for yesterday. I have a first presented FVG here that price rejecting from again, just like yesterday, 931. I haven't had the chance to really analyze what's going on here. So I was having a banana with peanut butter. Don't laugh at me. I have equal lows at 39.88. I don't know, I would like to have more clarity in the idea that I would like to see price, you know, rebalancing for a short, rebalancing the 930, CB on the 5 minutes. But I guess it's not that likely that this is gonna happen because it did that on the 1 minute. It rebalanced 931, but and you know, right now 821 could be our developing unicorn short. Okay, I'm gonna try out a short here. My stop loss is going to go above this bearish order block, which is 939 candle high. Not risking too much here. Okay, I guess you guys can see my ninja also. Silver got a lot lower than gold did, so I'd like to see silver not invalidate that 942 bearish FVG. Yeah, but silver seems to not want to respect that. Okay. Got stopped out here. If I'm getting a new rejection from the 838 bearish inversion with a break of 943, I'm gonna give the short one more chance. And if the first presented FVG is reclaimed, turned into a bullish unicorn, I'm switching to longs. Also see here if price will have any sort of reaction from the 930 bearish FVG on the 5-minute. Okay, so we have a 1-minute BISI forming. Let's see if price is going to respect or not this bullish FVG that it created here. And if it's not going to respect it, chances are we're going to see price going lower. But we have to wait and see what happens with that one first. Okay, trying out shorts again here. Okay, now I really want to see price catch up on bearish momentum under this swing low here, 814. And also we have to see this 810 bullish FVG being invalidated. So all these bullish FVGs from the left side of the chart that were previously respected, I want those to serve price as areas from where it's just going to move lower, just like that. Not really happy though with this little SMT that it's forming in here. So right now it's quite important for the 951 bearish FVG to be respected. Yeah, I can also see that there is also like a bigger level of SMT divergence going on here. And we're also sort of like rejecting from a 15-minute unicorn, but not really. If price wants to rebalance that 5-minute bearish FVG on 930, which I'm more inclined to believe that that's going to be left as a breakaway gap, but if that's not the case, because I'm not going to lie, I'm not really good at identifying breakaway gaps. But if price will want to rebalance that on the 5-minute, I'm cooked. It's gonna take me out. Yeah, it seems we have a new busy here in the 1 minute. My mind keeps telling me to move my stop loss above the 5-minute bearish FVG. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. Oh my God. Yeah, so it hit that 5-minute FVG. Also took me out for the second time today. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so it's inside that 5 minute right now. But it did overlap it with bullish FVG. Okay, so we seem to be respecting that 5 minute bearish FVG. Wow, you guys, price is really chaotic. Okay, guys, trying out one more time, another short. And if this time ain't working, I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, apparently price is not my friend today. Not a chance, huh? Yeah, price might actually be looking to sweep Asia high here, because you see this whole area at Asia high has been like that's a very nice SMT buy side area, really nice one. I mean, like really nice SMT area. And on the 5 minutes, yes, we did reject from that 930 SIBI. But usually when that happens, when price rejects from a fair value gap, especially if it's doing it on the 5 minute, 15 minute, if it doesn't continue in the same direction, as in it's rejecting, so it starts to create bearish candles, but then you see that all of a sudden there is bullish momentum coming in, because you know the candle that just closed here on the 5 minute, the previous 5 minute close candle, that's 5 bullish candle, right? So then it doesn't really make sense to rebalance a SIBI, reject from it, and then oof, go back inside of it with momentum. That's the key thing here. It should not happen with momentum. If price wants to revisit a fair value gap that was previously retested and respected, it should not go for that with momentum. Let's see if price manages to inverse 10 a.m. BC. Because that would really be nice if you could do that. We need an extra confirmation. We need an invalidation of 10 a.m. bearish bullish FVG on the 1 minute. That would confirm that indeed the 5-minute bearish FVG, that price is currently it's still holding inside of that. That would confirm that it's indeed acting as resistance. You guys, please excuse me 1 minute.
Reflections of the clouds above, the sound of rain along the pond. The grass that grows beneath my feet, I close my eyes, the hum of bees. I plucked a flower, violet green, lily of the valley on my knees. All the things I left behind, save this little place in my mind. I don't wanna lose you. It's too
Okay guys, I'm back. Ooh, what is going on here? Nice. See if we can continue in the same rhythm. Because if we don't continue in the same rhythm, it's not such a big deal. But if we do, then it is a big deal. Yeah, we're not really, are we?
rustling leaves, just like in my childhood dreams. You're as delicate as a leaf, you don't know what you mean to me.
Let's see, what is the 5-minute saying here?
I don't wanna lose you.
So it rejected from 9:30 CB on the 5 minutes. So under any circumstance, if it ought to continue to move lower, it should not invalidate that FVG. Because if it does that, then it means it's not planning on going lower. Basically, price is just consolidating here in between 40.11 and 40.33, 34. Nasty Friday price action, honestly. It might even sweep all this area and then push down. But you know, if it does that, it means it's just that type of price action that you can't really predict, and so it doesn't really make sense to keep pushing a setup. Keep insisting on an outcome that you can see it's not playing in your favor. Sorry, I just noticed my ninja wasn't visible. Well, it started out nicely, favorably. But anyway, let's see. If it's breaking under that low, that's going to be a good thing. Under this low, 1030, because it created an SMT divergence there. However, it would invalidate that, which means that it's just an area of liquidity, and if it's pushing beyond it, then it's using it as fuel. But this really looks like a typical Friday price action. Confusing. That's what I would say about it, that it's confusing. Confusing and stagnant. Yeah. That's how I would that's how I would characterize today's price action. Confusing and stagnant. But I'd sure love to see it drop to London low. I would sure want to see you do that. my God, we're finally moving. I need it to move under this low here, 953, and stay under that. It should not reject, because if it rejects, it's just going to be a liquidity sweep, because silver is quite far away from that area. Unless it's going to catch up with gold, and they're both going to melt. I'm bringing stop loss lower. I'm bringing stop loss inside, like at the lower lower part of that 5-minute bearish FVG. Like that. So it's just slightly above the mean threshold of this bearish order block here. 10:15 on the 5 minutes. And honestly, I don't see any reason why guys would want to revisit that 5-minute bearish FVG, because it already spent, I would say, an enough amount of time in there. I just want to see price, you know, just move beyond this. Let me show you this little bearish, bullish FVG here, 810, 811. That's the 8 a.m. macro. And that's why, because that's what the 10 a.m. macro setup was, right? It was long, and we just have to move under that in order to have, you know, more context for short. Come on, baby, you can do better than that. I'm gonna bring my stop loss to break even, you guys. Yeah, I'm bringing my stop loss to break even because I don't like the way price keeps on reacting from this bullish FVG here, that 810 macro. This one. Ian asking, what happens for Halloween in Romania? Honestly, nothing really happens. Don't think it's something different than, I don't know, other cultures, other countries celebrating Halloween. We didn't actually have Halloween as a party or as anything. We didn't know Halloween until like, I think maybe 10 years ago when, you know, movies started flooding, you know, movies about Halloween started flooding Romania. And that's when Romanians thought, oh, look, another opportunity to have a party. But nothing really happens. Like, kids just dress up in different costumes and they just go trick or treat from door to door. And that only happens with kids. And there are different, I don't know, stores have different discounts, you know, Halloween discount. And then, yeah, there's just different theme parties. But nothing really special, honestly. I mean, I don't understand this as a Romanian holiday. Because like I said, we didn't grow up with this. It never existed in our culture. It's borrowed. Like Valentine's Day, it's also borrowed. And we do have like a date where love is celebrated, but that's not on February 14th, like it's, you know, Valentine's Day. It's on February 24th, and somehow Romanians just thought it would be nicer to ditch ours, which was on the 24th of February, and just adopt the one from the US. So yeah, I can't believe this thing is gonna take me out again. Like, what the hell? Well, at least it's a break even, but, or maybe not. We'll see. Vampires all year there. Yeah, because of Dracula, you're saying, right? Yeah, not really. Not really. No, Dracula's friendly. He is really friendly. Okay, it took me out again. This time at break even, at least I'm not adding more drawdown on top of the 2 losses that I've already taken. I'm gonna call this a day, you guys. I'm gonna call this a day. I'm gonna call it a week. And yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys on Tuesday. So there's gonna be no live stream on Monday. And I'll talk to you guys on Tuesday. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment section. And I don't know if you guys noticed on my Instagram stories, but I would like to repeat something that I did last year with the guys from FundedNext. So last year, FundedNext prop firm sponsored a day spent with some kids at an orphanage, and I went there with presents, with gifts, and I spent the whole day with them. This year I'd like to repeat that, but this time it would be amazing if I could do that with your help. And I would really appreciate it if you guys would go to my Instagram stories, watch the stories that I've posted yesterday, and you guys are going to find out more details about what I'm trying to do to spend some time with the kiddos at the orphanage. And if you want to, be part of this, it would really mean a lot to me, and also especially to them. Unfortunate kids that did not choose this this life, but they just somehow ended up there. So it's really relieving for them to know that some of us are thinking about them. So yeah, just head over to my Instagram stories, make sure to watch them, and if you guys want to help, that would be amazing. So thanks, talk to you on Tuesday.